Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look using all drugstore products. It's just super quick and easy, and everything I use is affordable. And let me know in the comments if you want to learn how I do my messy bun, which usually I do it a little cuter, like I'll put pins and stuff in it. But I will totally do a video on my messy bun or whatever else y'all want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I've just washed my face and prepped it with my moisturizer, which is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. So next I'm going to go in with the Angel Veil Primer. And yeah, all these little bumps are from that one day that I didn't wash my face good. So, wash your face. Don't take the easy way out. Okay. And these are the Beakley sponges from Amazon. You can get like a pack of, I think it's like 6 for $8 or something like that. And I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation, the Photo Focus Wet n Wild Dewy Luminix. Okay, next we're going with Maybelline concealer. It's the Fit Me concealer, I believe. This isn't my favorite, but we'll use it today. The one by Revolution is my favorite right now, but it's really light. This one's more yellowy. It's ivory, it says, but it's kind of yellowy. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Tarte Stay Spray. The products I'm using are kind of like alternatives of my favorites, because my favorite setting spray is definitely the Morphe one, but this one works fine too. And my favorite foundation is the Too Faced Born This Way, but I bought this one to try, and so far I like it. I like it pretty good. It's dewy, it's light, it's not, you know, too heavy. And right now my skin's so light that the Too Faced one's a little too dark for me, so I bought the Wet n Wild in a lighter shade, so that. Okay, so let's brighten this up. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma blush in Lady Slipper. It's just a really nice light pink. This is the Real Techniques brush. I think they were limited edition. I got it because it was pink, but I really like it. It's a really good blush brush because it's really big and fluffy. It works well as a powder brush too. Alright, and then we use this little angled blush brush by It Brushes. I use it as a bronzing brush. I don't use it as a blush brush. And I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is just in the shade Bronzer. They have like a deep and all different kinds, but this is, I think, the original one. So that just kind of warms up the face a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Peachy Apricot in the Act. Everything I've used on my face besides the blush has pretty much been drugstore. Like, you can get butter bronzer from the drugstore, you can get Wet n Wild from the drugstore, you can get Maybelline from the drugstore. But I do just throw in a little bit of, I guess this would be considered like name brand, because you can only get it from Sigma.com, I think. So, but I don't think it was expensive. And then this came with a little trial, like travel size thing, so I don't think it was really expensive either. But of course you can use different brands, like Wet n Wild has some cute little blushes and stuff like this that my friend Erica uses, and Cameron Knight uses some of their blushes and highlighters, so you could totally find a dupe for this and that for sure. And you probably could find a similar blush as well, and something like that. So I just personally don't have any. I have a butter bronzer blush, but it's really red, so didn't really want to use it because I'm just going for more of a natural kind of look right now. It's really gloomy outside and everything, so just trying to be subtle with it. This Physician Formula Translucent Pearl highlight. Real Techniques brushes too. It's just a little fan brush. And this is definitely like a glow with within. It's very subtle. It's not real shiny or anything, but up close in person you can see a little bit of a shimmer. Okay. Alright, next we'll do eyebrows. This is the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe. I just keep the natural shape of my eyebrows, I just kind of go along with it and try to be kind of light-handed with it because I don't like a big bold brow. I want it to look natural. So they look similar. This one's just more filled in where you can see this one. My face again. I think it came from TJ Maxx. It's called In the Nude. So I guess we'll play around with it. This is a Ulta Beauty brush for the crease. And I'm just going to go in with this like medium brown shade that they have, which these are darker than this. Just a Physicians Formula powder. It's a color correcting powder, so it's got yellow, green, and pink in it. And this is an e.l.f. powder brush. Okay. I've recently learned that you kind of want to flare it out to kind of make a cat eye. You don't want to go like a rainbow, because then this droops down and it just doesn't look good. So if you kind of try to keep it up here and then kind of flare it out, it looks better. Okay, so I just went in with this brown. Now I'm going to use the brush that it came with, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. This is just going to be an easy kind of drugstore makeup look. A little flat brush with one of these highlight colors, this one in the inner corner, and then I'm going to do that on the brow bone. So I just like to brighten that up a little bit. And I'm going to take that same shimmery highlight shade and just kind of bring it up here so that this doesn't look all bare, you know what I mean? I don't like taking dark colors up there, but I don't want it to look stark white either. I want it to look blended. And this is my new Jeffree Star brush. I really like it. You can go back in with that darker shade, and if it looks like it had kind of faded out, you can just kind of go back in and deepen that back up, or go in with you. The key is just to be light-handed with it. Okay, I don't know if this is a drugstore or not. This is one that came like an Ipsy bag, so I'm not sure. But all the eyeliners I have are like the pens. I like the Physician Formula one. I don't think I have one currently because all mine dried up because I had them so long. And I've been using the Too Faced one that's waterproof, and I really like it. This one, it's just not drugstore. It is a little more on the pricier side, but I really like it. I like the pens and the markers just because I feel like they go on easier. It's easier for me to draw. When I do the wing, I just try to do it kind of slightly, because you can always go back and make it thicker. I made that one kind of thick, but yeah, this one's not my favorite because it is more stiff. I like the one that's more of a brush that just kind of like paints it on, because you can flick it easier. And that one, not a huge fan of that one, but lipstick I'm going to use out because I haven't really wore it. It's called Supermodel and it's Revlon Color Stay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the waterproof one. I got it because I've tried the regular one before and I was like, well, this gives me an excuse to buy a new mascara because it's waterproof, and I don't have waterproof because I don't really like waterproof mascara, but my eyes do water a good bit, so I got the waterproof. So anyways, I didn't curl my lashes, but it would probably look a whole lot better if I did. Say hey! Say hey to my Sophie. She's wanting some attention. My hair. If I was to wear it in a bun, I just would kind of pull some of these pieces out. Like Paige Wright says. Pinch and pull. I call it fluffing because I just kind of fluff it up. And I like hair on my face. And then, voila! Drugstore makeup. Quick and easy.